Hello, Collectiv View, it's a tool for the team. In this case, there are different laptops, different HDMI source, and we want to see it first on a decision screen. This screen could be far away in another room. And in the main room, there is a big video wall. With the touch tool, we can handle it. I will do start to launch the video wall back to me. You can see the display, and with the tool, you can see I can maximize my different source of display. Please, here there is a different scenario regarding this one. So first, here there are a mosaic made by 8 squares. Here it's only 4 squares, and I can decide what to see on this square with my tactile tablet. And I can use also this sort of screen to change either this screen or this screen. The concept is you can handle up to 40 different zones of display using a tactile touch tool, and to get this on both decision room or main video wall. I'm going to work now on the computer, and I will introduce you how to make the setting for Collectiv View. Thanks a lot. So here we are on the setting tool. Back to me, so the main video wall, and back to me, the decision making room. You can see here also the decision making room. So I just added a splitter to duplicate the HDMI signal from this PC to the monitor and to the multi-viewer tool. So how does it work? First of all, you can see a mosaic made by 8 areas. I will do start here, and it will be displayed on both the video wall and the decision room. So start, you can see here it is, and back to me also you can see it. So the tool, I did it by touch just before, and now you can see just click to minimize, maximize, the same. And if I want to take a screenshot, there is a little icon here. I press it, and it will record on my computer a screenshot of it. It's very useful when there are some camera for this instance, and you want to investigate, to make monitoring. You can take different screenshots, and the screenshot works both on the TV also if you want, and you can do some screenshot and get a memory for the future to analyze what you did. It's sort of a retext, return on experience. So what we have first, here there are different video walls. You can see the main video wall here with a mosaic of 8, and the decision room here it is with a mosaic of 4. I can, if I want to switch, and I will in the decision room, I am going in the setting, and I will display the camera there. So the video wall, wall number 2, decision room, pod TV police, here it is, and pod camera firefighter. I click here, save, and I'm not sure if I had to stop and reload. Let's see. Yeah, so it's I need to stop and reload, restart. And here are the camera. So back to me. The idea is you can, for the main officers, the IT man, there are different so pod. You can change the color, change the name, give a specific name for each area. For instance, PC2 for Rafale, sauvegarder, and as a result, the main area here, it will be written PC2 Rafale. So I can select if I want different type of view given by the multi-viewer. In this case, I am working with my 4 area. I can select 2 area, horizontal, vertical, or only 1 area. I can add a pod if I want, and you can delete the pod, so you can handle and manage everything by yourself. There are a lot of log to understand what is going on and to make it easier to make the setup. So here are the main setting. So the idea is to get a flexible and easy tool to minimize, maximize what you see, both on the main video wall and on the decision making. You can make a different view and see exactly the mosaic you want to see, where you want to see it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with the Collectiv View.